I am deeply grateful for this award from Brainium Information Technologies. It has been a wonderful and learning journey with Brainium, and the award adds more to it. Going that extra mile has only been possible due to constant motivation, support and inspiration from Mr. Saurav Sinha. Also a lot of thanks to my lovely fellow HRs, with whom I have always enjoyed working. Special thanks to Mr. Bikash C. for his kind words. Definitely looking forward to witness more success with the Brainium family in the coming years. Thank you once again.